Welcome to our channel, Blue Lollipop English for Kids. Hello guys. I'm Rob, the sailor. In this video I will teach you some words about the sea. Let's go. Listen and repeat. This is a boat. Boat. Repeat. Boat. This is a ship. Ship. Repeat. Ship. This is a caravel. Caravel. Repeat. Caravel. This is a lighthouse. Lighthouse. Repeat. Lighthouse. This is a rudder. Rudder. Repeat. Rudder. This is an anchor. Anchor. Repeat. Anchor. This is a floater. Floater. Repeat. Floater. This is a sailor hat. Sailor hat. Repeat. Sailor hat. This is a spyglass. Spyglass. Repeat. Spyglass. This is a siren. Siren. Repeat. Siren. This is a pirate. Pirate. Repeat. Pirate. This is a pirate flag. Pirate flag. Repeat. Pirate flag. This is a captain. Captain. Repeat. Captain. This is a message in a bottle. Message in a bottle. Repeat. Message in a bottle. This is a treasure. Treasure. Repeat. Treasure. This is a treasure map. Treasure map. Repeat. Treasure map. This is a pearl. Pearl. Repeat. Pearl. This is seaweed. Seaweed. Repeat. Seaweed. These are corals. Corals. Repeat. Corals. This is a fishing net. Fishing net. Repeat. Fishing net. This is an island. Island. Repeat. Island. This is a beach. Beach. Repeat. Beach. Hey. Wait a moment. I found out an island. Our video ends here. See you soon. Bye.